Hello there, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Ads.txt file not found error on Google AdSense when trying to monetize your WordPress website. This method is simple, effective, and easy to follow. So, let's get started. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and follow along step by step. Let's first confirm whether the Ads.txt file exists on your website or not. Open a new browser tab. Type your website domain followed by /ads.txt in the address bar. Hit enter. As you can see, the file is not found. This confirms that we need to add the Ads.txt file to our website. Step 2. Install and activate the Ad Inserter plugin. To resolve this issue, we'll use a plugin called Ad Inserter, which makes it easy to add the Ads.txt file to your WordPress site. If you have the SiteKit plugin installed, you may need to disable it temporarily. Navigate to Plugins. Then click on Add New. Search for Ad Inserter in the search bar. Click on Install Now, and then click Activate to activate the plugin. After installing and activating the plugin, follow these steps. Navigate to Settings on your WordPress dashboard. Click on Ad Inserter from the menu. Select Ads.txt. Scroll up and prepare to copy the Ads.txt file from your AdSense account and paste it into this area. OK, go to your AdSense account. Step 3. Copy the Ads.txt code from your AdSense account. Select the website domain you want to monetize. Click on Verify Site Ownership and locate the Ads.txt snippet section. Click on the Copy button to copy the Ads.txt code. This code contains important information about your authorized ad partners, so make sure to handle it carefully. Step 4. We'll paste the Ads.txt code into the Ad Inserter plugin. Go back to your WordPress dashboard. Paste the copied Ads.txt code into the designated area. Once done, click the green checkmark button to save the changes. Congratulations! You've successfully added the Ads.txt file to your website. Step 5. Verify the Ads.txt file on your website. Let's verify that the Ads.txt file is now live on your website. Open a new browser tab. Type your website domain followed by /ads.txt. Hit enter. You should now see the Ads.txt file displayed on the page. If you do, it means everything is set up correctly. Step 6. Confirm in AdSense. If this is your first time connecting your website to AdSense, go back to your AdSense account and check the box labeled I have published the Ads.txt file. Click the Verify button to confirm. AdSense will now recognize your Ads.txt file and proceed with the monetization process. That's it. You've successfully fixed the Ads.txt file not found error. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials. For additional tips, check out the first comment below. Have a great day and happy blogging.